We'll guide you through how to save WhatsApp photos to the gallery automatically. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in WhatsApp. So perhaps you just went and received a photo and you want it to go and be automatically saved in your gallery, but you're finding that it isn't. So you can see I just received this here at 4:04, but it's not in my photos. We're going to guide you through how you can get them automatically saved. And you can follow this whether you go and use an Android or an iPhone, it doesn't matter. I find this to be really convenient, so whenever we go and receive a photo, it's automatically put into our gallery because perhaps we go and receive a lot of photos we want to go and have a copy of. So to go about this, it's much easier than you probably think. We need to go and head to the settings on WhatsApp. On an iPhone, that's easy, just press settings in the bottom right. Whereas on an Android, you need to go to the top right of chats, press the three dots, and you can go down and you can then go and press settings. Then in settings, you want to go down and you can go and find the option for chats and come into it. Then what you need to do is you need to go and find the option for save to photos. And what you want to do is go and switch it on like this. It says automatically save photos and videos you receive to photos. So now when you receive a photo or video, it's automatically going to be saved. For ones in the past, we need to go and find them, go and tap on it, and you can then press the share button in the bottom left. Then you can go and press save like so. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides. We post videos like this every single day, so I'm sure we'll be able to help you out again. Have a great day and I look forward to help you again. If you have any suggestions, feel free to go and put them in the comments and look forward to going and checking them out. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.